Look up at the night sky. Every star you see, every cluster, every glow is part of a colossal city of stars, the Milky Way. It feels eternal, like it will shine forever. But nothing in the universe lasts forever. One day, the Milky Way itself will face destruction, torn apart in one of the most violent events in cosmic history. So, how does a galaxy die? Today, this will be our exploration. Right now, our galaxy is thriving. It's a spiral masterpiece, 400 billion stars swirling in a cosmic dance, bound together by gravity and an invisible halo of dark matter. At its center lurks a monster, the supermassive black hole, Sagittarius A, 4 million times heavier than the Sun. It doesn't just sit quietly. It shapes the galaxy itself, influencing stars, gas, and entire systems. But around us, something enormous is moving closer, silently, slowly, relentlessly. Just beyond the Milky Way, the Andromeda Galaxy, another spiral giant, is on a collision course with us. It's 2.5 million light-years away, but racing toward us at 110 kilometers per second. To humans, that sounds impossibly fast. To galaxies, it's like a slow-motion crash, stretched across billions of years. But make no mistake, it's coming. The Milky Way is doomed to merge with Andromeda. In about 4 billion years, the sky will transform. Imagine stepping outside one night. Above you, Andromeda fills the heavens, a glowing disk of stars stretching across the sky. At first, it's beautiful. Then, it becomes terrifying. The galaxies collide. Stars are flung like bullets through space. Gas clouds smash together, igniting new stars in titanic bursts. Entire solar systems are thrown out of orbit, wandering into the dark. But don't panic, stars themselves almost never hit. The distances are so vast that most will simply glide past each other. Still, the gravitational chaos will shake everything. Our Sun and Earth, if it survives that long, may be hurled into a new orbit or flung into intergalactic space. Over the next billions of years, the Milky Way and Andromeda will intertwine in a cosmic ballet. They'll pass through each other, separate, then fall back together again, each time ripping apart more of their spiral arms. Until finally, they merge into one massive bloated galaxy, an elliptical giant far larger than either of the originals. Astronomers already have a name for it: Milkomeda. The graceful spiral of the Milky Way will be gone forever. Its stars scattered, its shape erased. The galaxy we call home destroyed. And at the heart of this new giant, a battle. Sagittarius A, our black hole, will meet Andromeda's black hole, which is even bigger. The two monsters will orbit each other, spiraling closer, until they merge in a cataclysm so violent it will send gravitational waves echoing across the universe. The very core of the new galaxy will tremble with their union. So, how will the Milky Way be destroyed? Not in fire, not in silence. but in a cosmic collision that remakes everything. Billions of years from now, if there's anyone left to look up at the night sky, they won't see the Milky Way. They'll see the glow of Milkomeda, a monument to destruction and rebirth. Because even galaxies must die, so that new wonders can be born.